In this video, we're diving into two powerful chart patterns every trader should know: pennants and wedges. These patterns can signal strong continuation or potential reversals, and spotting them early could mean the difference between catching a big move or missing out completely. If you're serious about leveling up your trading game, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff trading content every week. A bearish pennant and a bullish pennant are both continuation patterns in technical analysis, signaling a potential continuation of the prior trend. Bearish pennant forms after a strong downward move, flagpole. A small consolidation in a triangular shape follows. The breakout usually occurs to the downside, continuing the bearish trend. Traders look for a breakdown below support to confirm further selling pressure. Bullish pennant forms after a strong upward move, flagpole. A small triangular consolidation follows. The breakout usually happens to the upside, continuing the bullish trend. Traders look for a breakout above resistance to confirm further upward momentum. Both patterns rely on volume confirmation. A spike in volume during the breakout helps validate the move. How to trade bullish and bearish pennants. 1. Identify the pennant pattern. Look for a strong trend move, flagpole, followed by a small consolidation forming a triangle. Ensure price is making higher lows and lower highs for both bullish and bearish pennants. Volume should decline during consolidation, indicating a pause before the next move. Trading a bullish pennant. Steps to enter a trade. 1. Wait for the price to break above the pennant's upper resistance line. 2. Confirm the breakout with increased volume. 3. Enter a buy position after a candle closes above the resistance. 4. Set a stop loss below the pennant's low or recent swing low. 5. Set a take profit target by measuring the flagpole's height and adding it to the breakout point. Trading a bearish pennant sell setup is the same as a bullish pennant, just in reverse. Bearish and bullish pennants, pros and cons. High probability setup. When confirmed with volume, pennants can be reliable continuation patterns. Clear entry and exit points. Traders can set stop losses below above the pennant structure to minimize risk. Works in multiple time frames. Can be applied in day trading, swing trading, or longer-term trades. Strong breakout potential. A successful breakout often leads to significant price movement in the trend's direction. Cons of pennant patterns. False breakouts. Sometimes price breaks out but quickly reverses, trapping traders. Requires confirmation. Volume and price action confirmation are needed to avoid fake signals. Short-term consolidation can be unpredictable. The price can whipsaw inside the pennant, leading to stop-outs before the real breakout. Market conditions matter. Pennants work best in strong trends. Weak trends may lead to failed patterns. Pro tips for trading pennants. Use volume confirmation. A strong breakout should have increased volume for reliability. Wait for candle close. Avoid entering trades on wicks. Wait for a solid breakout candle. Check higher timeframes. Confirm the trend's strength on larger timeframes to avoid false breakouts. Combine with indicators. Use RSI, MACD, or moving averages to confirm momentum. Manage risk. Stick to a 1-2 or better risk-reward ratio for consistent gains. What are wedge patterns? Wedge patterns are a type of chart pattern used in technical analysis to signal potential reversals or continuations in price movements. They form when price action contracts between two trend lines that converge, creating a wedge shape. There are two main types. 1. Rising wedge, a bearish pattern that slopes upward and typically signals a reversal to the downside. 2. Falling wedge, a bullish pattern that slopes downward and usually signals a reversal to the upside. Wedges can appear in both uptrends and downtrends, and their breakout direction determines whether they act as a continuation or reversal pattern. Pros of trading wedge patterns. Clear entry and exit points. Wedges provide well-defined breakout levels, making it easier to plan trades with stop losses and take profits. Reliable signals. When confirmed with volume and other indicators, like RSI or MACD, wedge patterns can produce strong trade opportunities. Versatile use. They can indicate both trend reversals and continuations, allowing traders to apply them in different market conditions. Works across markets and timeframes. Wedges are commonly used in forex, stocks, and crypto markets, and they appear on various timeframes. Cons of trading wedge patterns. False breakouts. Wedges sometimes break in the wrong direction or fail to generate follow-through, leading to potential losses. Subjectivity in identification. Traders may interpret wedge patterns differently, leading to inconsistent trading decisions. Requires confirmation. Additional indicators or volume analysis are often needed to validate a breakout, adding complexity. Time-consuming formation. Wedges take time to develop, which may require patience before executing a trade. Final thoughts. Wedge patterns are a powerful tool in a trader's arsenal, but they require careful analysis and confirmation. By understanding the strengths and limitations of these patterns, traders can increase their probability of success while managing risks effectively. Alright, now you know how to spot and trade pennants and wedge patterns like a pro. Remember, patterns don't guarantee direction, but when combined with volume and context, they can give you a serious edge. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next trading breakdown. Got questions or want me to cover another pattern next? Comment below, I read every one. Thanks for watching, and trade smart.